I replaced my 2-year-old Fire TV with the 2026 new Hisense Mini LED E7SF model, just in time for the World Cup. And thanks to the AI picture and motion, it has never looked smoother. Hisense is an official partner of the World Cup, so when they contacted me to review this new, beautiful 65-inch model, I knew I couldn't say no. With Hisense's high QLED mini LED technology and this ultra thin design, we need to talk about why you might pick one of these up for your next TV purchase. And just one more thing before we go. Go Canada. Subscribe. One thing I really appreciate about this model is just how light it is. So when I was getting this ready to mount it on my back wall, it was really easy to lift up by myself. Right away, check this out. Hisense calls this unibody slim. I call it a super thin TV. Even though I don't have a flush mount on the back, it still sits pretty flat against the wall. With really only a border on the bottom of the TV, the rest is pretty flush. Now, if you're not gonna mount it, they do include 2 little stand legs so you can put it up on any surface. Because this runs Fire TV OS, it also comes with your classic Fire TV remote. For ports, you're gonna get 4 HDMIs. Now, one of these is an eARC port, so if you do wanna connect a soundbar straight through the HDMI, no problem at all. And your port 3 and 4 are 144 Hertz, so gamers out there. You also get 1 USB-A port that is 5 volts, 1 amp. Now, since I picked this up, I've mostly been watching World Cup games, and I obviously can't show any for copyright reasons, but quick flex, Canada 6-0, right? Pretty good, I think. The video quality has been super impressive since I started testing it out. Now, it comes with Hisense's high QLED mini LED technology. It is 4K with 1300 nits of peak brightness. And if you're wondering what the first part of the QLED is, the high part, well, that's actually Hisense's proprietary technology. The main areas you're gonna notice this is during super dark scenes, the blacks will actually look a lot deeper. And then during very colorful scenes, it should look a lot more vivid. But a lot of you might wanna pick this up for the upcoming soccer finals. I mean football, don't destroy me in the comments. Which this is perfect for because it has a native 144 refresh rate. And when you combine that with their AI sports mode, it just has a really clean look with very little motion blur at all. Looks way better than the first few matches I watched with my older Fire TV. This also comes with your classic Dolby Vision and a bunch of other features. We're not gonna go over them all, but one of them is this IMAX Enhanced mode, which the TV brand has to meet a bunch of qualifications in order to be able to have it. This mode only works with certain content, usually listed on streaming services, and it essentially just takes this mastered 4K HDR and your TV will automatically map it out, just giving you, I guess the easiest way to put it is a better viewing experience for this type of content. Now, gamers, you know I have you covered. As I mentioned earlier, it has 2 HDMIs that are 144 Hertz. Now, I've been playing a few different games on this, nothing too intense like racing games where a lot of the time is where you're gonna notice that 144 Hertz. But I mean, it looks great. There's no other way around it. Just looking at the footage here, everything looks clear, the colors are vivid, and the 4K just really stands out. For speakers, this is a 2.0 channel system, which essentially means it has 2 built-in speakers, delivering a total of 20 watts. That's 10 watts per speaker. But we're gonna try it at 25, 50%, and 100% volume so you can get an idea of the changing gradient and also just how clear it is. Let's start by checking it out at 25%. It's finally in! I got the brand new O&N 4K stick thanks to a subscriber. So shout out to Joe, first of all, he sent it. So 25%, and as you can hear, actually already super loud. Let's boost it up to 50. We're gonna keep the mic the exact same distance away. Let's try it. It's finally in! I got the brand new O&N 4K stick thanks to a subscriber. So shout out to Joe. First of all, he sent it from... That was 50% volume, still crystal clear. I also want to mention this is equipped with Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X. So it has multiple different sound processing systems to make sure you get a more immersive experience if your content is compatible with it. Let's check out 100%. It's finally in! I got the brand new O&N 4K stick thanks to a subscriber. So shout out to Joe. First of all, he sent it from... So really all three levels there offer a pretty clear and loud listening experience. And with that extra DTS Virtual X and a few of those other sound processing systems, it should give you a bit more of an immersive experience. Not quite surround sound, but still pretty solid. Obviously, this comes equipped with the newest version of Fire TV. No, not Vega OS, just Fire TV OS 8. Having some sort of built-in operating system is always preferred. If you want, you can use an external device, but being able to quickly download and use your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Videos, all of those, it's just very convenient for that kind of stuff. And it's a really simplified operating system, so you just go from your home menu and you're able to access everything really quickly. Now, the reality is TV technology is one of those things that is constantly changing. In fact, every year you could upgrade your TV and see brand new features you've never tried before. So this one not only has a few upgrades from my previous Fire TV, but it also has a giant price downgrade, which is what I like to see. So as part of Hisense's Prime Day deals, this 65-inch is all the way down from $1,000 to $750. Around $250 off. This is a TV that a few years ago I would have paid significantly more for even a few less features. They do of course also have other sizes available, but I think 65 inches perfect, especially at this price point. And for my US viewers, I'll also have the link down below in the description for you as well. So big shout out to Hisense for joining me on this collab and sending me this TV. I want to do a lot more with them because they have a lot of affordable TVs that are also extremely high quality. Like always, guys, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you later. Bye.